I'm about to go off on a tangent. Now, like I stated before, I ain't got side 3 on that laser disc. So I gotta dig into my other laser disc and pull out side 3. You know, sometimes you just gotta watch Laserdisc and forget about the VHS. But sometimes you gotta watch VHSs and forget about the Laserdisc. But then sometimes you gotta watch VHSs and Laserdisc. And then sometimes you just gotta stare at the wall and watch nothing.
It's been 30 years since they last attacked.
There's so many of them!
Where's your sister? And now the next chapter to Hitchcock's classic is about to unfold. The Birds 2, Land's End. Only on Showtime.